Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems like this one look intimidating, but we can solve them quickly by breaking down the function behavior using simple derivatives and testing key intervals. First, we find the derivative of our function. Using the power rule, the derivative of x to the fourth minus 4x cubed plus 8 is 4x cubed minus 12. Next, set the derivative to 0 to find the critical points. Factoring out 4x squared leaves us with x minus 3, giving us critical points at 0 and 3. Finally, test the intervals. Since the derivative is negative for all values less than 3, the function is decreasing on the entire interval from negative infinity to 3. Boom! Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Don't ignore local endpoints, always check signs, and use the derivative to find the answer.